Gramagat Simon, tá sé go húntaach fada bheith bhar measc nocht agus gan dát cóchardagus le IFTA tá déimlíonna an móthir. The award for the documentary series recognises the brightest factual programme makers we have. Viewers tune in week after week to see these real-life stories being presented with skill and with creativity. Here are the nominations.
24 Hours to Kill. For car. Just before he left, he checked on Bullyproof.
To tell, and you're confused anyway.
The New Irish, after the bust.
If somebody approaches you from USA,
Ray Darcy, How to Beat Depression.
Agus Shane Boturno, the winner is Bullyproof.
Wait for everyone. We're delighted. Thank you very much. There's an enormous amount of people, obviously, to thank. I'll start with a great production team led by Adele and David, Keola. Christine is my business partner, Firebrand. There's an enormous amount of all of the crew who were fantastic all the way through. There's an enormous amount of people involved in anti-bullying activities all around the country, schools and experts and all the rest, and we couldn't have done it without them. And I'd like to thank RTE, Colin McCallan and Ray McCarthy for allowing us to do a subject that was quite sensitive and difficult. And personally to Amy, Helen, Sam, hi.
We couldn't have made this series without the huge bravery of the children, Hazel, Jade, Eamon, Mark and Rick and their parents. And their participation in the series highlighted the issue that bullying really does destroy lives. So this is dedicated to them.
Not only would I like to accept the award on behalf of the production company and those young people who took part in the show, but also those young people who don't have voices at the moment, who are being bullied day in, day out. May they find their voices and may they get the support that they need. Thank you all very much. Thank you.